Now we discuss about Iupac rules. Iupac rules. Then first one we discuss about that rule number one. Rule number one. What is that rule number one? Longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain. This is a side heading. Now, what is the definition here? To select a longest carbon chain as a to select a longest carbon chain as a parent chain. Parent chain. This is a rule number one. Now I will discuss one example here. This is a compound. So here, now we have to check it out. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there. So another way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons are there. So another way, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is the longest? 7 carbons. So here, in this case, this is we consider as a parent chain. So you have to select a longest carbon chain treated as a parent chain. For example, so I am given this example. So in this case, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this case, 9 carbon system as a parent chain. So here, this is a parent chain. You have to check it out all the direction which has more number of carbons. That one you have to consider as a parent chain. So all the students, please try your level based this example. So you have to find out which one is a parent chain. Do it fast.
Right, sir.
So in this case, this one is a parent chain.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Right.
6, 7, 8. This is a parent chain. So straight carbon system we consider as a parent chain because of here this is has more number of carbons. So parent chain. Rule number two. Rule number two. If carbon chain has two or more than two substitution with the same length of the carbon chain, then more substitution carbon chain treated as a parent chain. Treated as a parent chain. So now I'm taking one example, then you can easily understand. So here, this one is here. Here, how many substitutions are there? Here, 2 substitutions are there. So if we start the numbering, start the counting of number of carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have to start like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go for any direction, we get same length of the carbon chain. So in this case, whenever we discuss about that, whatever the rule, you have to follow that previous rule followed by next rule. So if you are not follow that, whatever the previous rule, that is wrong always. You have to follow whatever that previous rule. So followed by this one, if you consider, so I will discuss here, if you consider this is a dotted line as a parent chain. If it is a dotted line as a parent chain, it is only one substitution is there. Means this is a parent chain linked to only one. If we consider this one, whatever that box is a parent chain. So here box is a parent chain. How many substitutions are there? Two substitutions are there because this is linked to this one and this one, two substitution. If you consider this is a dotted line, only one substitution. What we wrote? More substitution. So more substitution, carbon chain treated as a parent chain. This is a condition for rule number 2. For example, this is a molecule. This is a molecule. Here in this case, if you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for any direction, we get the same length. If you consider this one is a parent chain, so 4 substitutions are there. If you consider this one is a parent chain, like this one is a parent chain. Here only two substitutions. So don't consider this one. This is a parent chain. So always more substitution we consider as a parent chain. Next, rule number 3. Rule number 3. So this is very, very important rule. If carbon chain has any substitution, then substitution gets the lowest possible number. So generally in any entrance exam, they are asked the question sometimes which one is the incorrect answer. So sometimes they are asking the correct answer, sometimes which one has incorrect answer, so that you have to know that correct answer even though incorrect answer also. So here I will give the numbering, which is a parent chain. You have to check it out first because you have to follow first rule, then only second rule, third rule. So first this one is a parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the longest is this one. So we start with the numbering. Don't use the zigzag numbering. You have to give the any one of the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are there. So here I will give again opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left to right substitution position. Here right to left substitution position. So in this case, the first case, left to right substitution position is third, this one. Then right to left substitution position is fifth. What we wrote, if carbon chain has any substitution gets the lowest possible number. Here in this case, which is lowest number? 3 is the lowest number. This is the correct. This one is incorrect. That's what you have to know, which is the correct, which one is incorrect. So in this case, you have to check it out which one is the lowest number. If you go for any direction, we get the same length. Go for anyway, both are correct. For example, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, left to right substitution position, then right to left substitution position, always a 4, 4. Go for any direction. Both are correct. You have to check it out which one is the lowest number. For example, I will give another example. So here, this one. This is a question. So in this case, first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So left to right, where is the substitution position? 4. Right to left, where is the substitution position? 5. Which is correct answer? This one is a correct. This one is incorrect. Wrong. You have to check it out which one is the lowest number.